So if you are an HR professional who is maintaining the job applicant details into a spreadsheet program or into a software, then this video is for you all. Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Karasetia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how you can keep track of job applicant details into your Google Sheets automatically. So the idea here is that whenever a candidate applies for a job through your Recruity application, automatically the details of the candidate should be created as a new record into your Google Sheets. For this, we need to create a connection between Recruity and Google Sheets. So in order to create a connection between both these software applications, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So let us learn the integration process on my screen. So to start the integration, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to Products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on Sign Up for Free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes. By clicking on Sign Up Free button, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. Let's click on Login. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as Keep Track of Job Applicant Details in Google Sheets. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a candidate applies through your job portal, that is Recruity, automatically the details of the applicant should be added to your Google Sheets. So open this trigger window. Here in the Choose Application, let us find Recruity. In the trigger event, we have to select Candidate is created. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So let us read some of the instructions. Log into Recruity, go to the settings, apps and plugins, webhooks and click on new webhook. So I'll just take you to my Recruity account. This is my Recruity dashboard. Here at last we can find the settings option. Click on settings. And when we scroll down, here we can find apps and plugins. Here we have to come to the webhooks option. And here we are going to add a new webhook. For that, click on this plus sign, new webhook. Now here we have to give a name to the webhook. So let us give the name as Add Details to Google Sheets. Here you can give the name as per your requirement. Now it is asking for post URL. So this will be the webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So I'll be copying this webhook URL from here and we will be pasting it over here as post URL. Okay. Now here we have to select send a message when candidate is created, candidate is assigned. So here we want candidate is created. Okay. And let's click on verify and create. So here we can see that the webhook is verified and created. A new webhook is created. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And here when we scroll down, in the response we can find the test as value 1. It means the test value has been sent from the webhook URL. Now we have to click on recapture webhook response. Let's click on yes. Now in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to go to the web page and we have to just apply to a job over there on the name of a candidate. So this is my web page named Pabbly Connect, where I have the open positions for digital marketing and HR executive. So I'm just going to click on view job. And here the job description and job requirements are available. All the details are available over here. And let's click on apply. Here we have to upload the CV.
Let us upload a CV from my system, that is resume. Okay, here we have to give the details of the candidate. Let us give the name as Adam Smith, email address as adamsmith123@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. If you have the details, the photo of the candidate, the photo can be uploaded over here, and even the cover letter can be uploaded over here. Okay, and let's click on send. All done. Your application has been successfully submitted. Okay, so the job has been submitted over here. The application is submitted. Let's move back to Public Connect. And in the response, we can see that all the details related to the candidate are captured over here. Here we can find the email address of the candidate, the name of the candidate, his phone number, and along with that, here we can find the company name, its department name, and even the title. So now we want that using these details, automatically a new row or a new data should get created into your Google Sheets. For that, come to this action step. Here in the choose application, let us find Google Sheets. In the action event, we have to select add new row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Google Sheets. Now it is asking to choose an account. In which account you have created your Google Sheets. So I'm just selecting my account from here. Public Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Public Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, and now the Google Sheets are connected to Public Connect. And as we are connected, here we can find all the spreadsheets that we have created in our Google Sheet. So I have already created a sheet over here. I'll just take you to the sheet. So the spreadsheet name is Recruity Job Applications. Okay, and the sheet name is HR Executive. So we have to select the spreadsheet name over here in Public Connect. So let us select Recruity Job Applications. Now here we have to select the sheet name. So as I have created just one sheet named HR Executive, it is all automatically captured over here. Okay. From here you can select your sheet name from the drop down. Now here we have to give the name, email address and phone number of the applicant. So we have already got these details from the Recruity. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. Let us map them one by one. Let us map the name. That was Adam Smith. Here we have to map the candidate email address. Let's map the phone number. Here we have to map the department name. That was Human Resource. Here we have to map the title. That was HR Executive. And here we have to map created date and time. Okay, and let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And here we can see the responses received. It means the details are added to our Google Sheet. Let's check it. Okay, and here we can find the details of the candidate named Adam Smith, his email address, phone number, department name, title and the created date and time. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Public Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is actually working fine or not. For that, I'll have to apply on the name of some other candidate. For that, I'll just move to the home page, okay, of my Recruity account. Here again, I'll be moving to the job section, that is view job. And I'm just going to apply for the job. And let us upload the CV. Okay, and this time I'm just going to give the full name as Shikha Arya. Let's add the email address as shikhaarya123@gmail.com. Let's add the phone number. And we don't have the photos, so I'm just leaving it as blank. Even we don't have the cover letter. And let's click on Send. Okay, all done. Your application has been successfully submitted. So the application is submitted. Now we have to check our Google Sheet. And here we can find the details of the applicant, Name as Shikha Arya, her email address, phone number, department, title, and the created date and time. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect. And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Recruity and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the candidate whenever the application was submitted. And using the details of the candidate, automatically a new record or a new data was created into your Google Sheets. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Recruity and Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect.
So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business using Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can visit our Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.